Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can close multiple tabs on your Android phone. Well, depends on what you mean. If you mean the browser tabs, like I'm going to go to the Chrome web browser, and in here, as you can see, I might be inside of any website. You can click on the open a tabs button in the top like this, and obviously you may know that you're going to swipe them away individually and close them one by one. But if you click on the three dots button in the top right portion of the display like that, you can click on close all tabs at once or select the tabs at first, right? So as you can see, I can select a few of them, like 3 or 2 for example, and then now if I click on the 3 dots, I can close those selected, right? So only those 2 will be closed and the rest of them will stay on the screen. So that's how we can do this. Again, either close all of them with a click of a button or select a few and then close only those selected. If you, however, mean the tabs in terms of like the open apps, like when you go to the multitasking panel like this, you can of course swipe the apps away one by one, or below you also have the button to close all of them. So you can close like this, and essentially you have closed multiple tabs, if you mean apps in this case, at once. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about this video below in the comments. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.